In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add someone as optional for Google Calendar events. If you've ever organized a meeting or an event and wanted to give some attendees a choice to attend, this tutorial will guide you through the process step by step. It takes only a few moments and can really help streamline your event planning, making it more flexible for everyone involved. Let's dive right in. Start by heading over to Google Calendar. You can easily find this by searching for Google Calendar on your chosen browser or by navigating directly if you have it bookmarked. Once you're there, the next thing is to either create a new event or you can opt to open an existing one. To create a new event, locate the Create button, which is usually at the top left corner, or simply click on any date box to immediately start editing. For an existing event, find it on your calendar view and click the pencil or edit icon, a little visual cue that it's time to get customizing. Now that you're in the event editing screen, focus your attention on the right side of the page where you'll see the Guests section. This is where you can add attendees to your event. In this space, you'll type the email address of the person you'd like to add. This initiates the process of inviting that person to your event in Google Calendar. After the person is added, hover your cursor over their name. You should see a small person icon appear right next to it. This is pivotal for the next step. With the icon in full view, simply click it and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, look for the option that says Optional. Selecting this will change their status, denoting their attendance as optional instead of mandatory. This is a great courtesy for those whose schedules might not align perfectly with your event timeline, yet you would still like them to participate if they can. Before concluding the setup, you need to make sure to save all the changes you've made to your event. At the top of the event page, there's a Save button. Hit that, confirming all your modifications. Following this, you'll generally be prompted to send updates to your guests, which is a crucial step because it alerts them to any changes in their invitation status. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you enable a more accommodating approach to scheduling in Google Calendar, making it easier for everyone to manage their time. Incorporating this option invites flexibility, which your potential attendees will surely appreciate. Thank you for tuning in today, and have a great time planning those seamless and cooperative events.